stage is set for Prime Minister Narendra Modi to take oath for a coalition central government with support from the NDA allies on June 9. Hectic parleys are in the offing as the supporting allies seek key cabinet posts. Ever since the NDA leaders have fully expressed their support for the BJP-led government, constant meetings are being held where BJP allies have started demanding their share of the pie in the new government. As per the sources, TDP, the second largest ally in the NDA with 16 seats, is seeking plum cabinet berths ranging from Home Ministry to Defence Ministry. Notably, apart from the NDA, 7 independents and 3 MPs from smaller parties have extended support, taking the NDA tally to 303 in the Lok Sabha seats. Well, Prime Minister Modi has directed Amit Shah, JP Nadda and Rajnath Singh to lead the negotiations. Rumours arrive that kingmaker Nitish Kumar is eyeing at least 4 cabinet berths in the Modi 3.0 government, along with an additional Minister of State post. The Nitish Kumar-led JDU government is keen on getting portfolios such as railways, rural development and water resources, as these portfolios will give JDU leverage in accelerating development in the state. Nevertheless, the BJP faces a stiff alliance test in its third term, and its signs were visible on Thursday, as Kumar said he would demand a review of the Agnipath recruitment scheme for the army. JDU leader KC Tyagi said there was resentment against the Agnipath scheme and it was visible during the elections.
अग्निवीर योजना को लेकर के मतदाताओं के एक हिस्से में नाराजगी रही है। हमारी पार्टी चाहती है कि विस्तार से उन कमियों खामियों को दूर किया जाए, जिसको लेकर के जनता ने सवाल उठाए।
Additionally, besides the key cabinet berths, media reports suggest that TDP chief Chandrababu Naidu may demand special status for Andhra Pradesh. TDP, the second largest party among NDA allies with 16 seats, is seeking plum cabinet berths ranging from Home Ministry to Defence Ministry. Meanwhile, the Chirag Paswan-led Lok Jan Shakti party is not only assured of securing one of the berths in the Union cabinet but is also hopeful of getting one state minister berth as well. Paswan, who brought 5 Lok Sabha seats to the table, is also reportedly eyeing the railway ministry of the entire cabinet. On the other hand, Eknath Shinde, Shiv Sena leader and Maharashtra chief minister, is seeking one cabinet and 2 MOS berths in the Modi government. NDA's another ally, Janata Dal Secular, led by H.D. Kumaraswamy, is also looking for agriculture ministry in the cabinet, while the Hindustani Awam Morcha Secular is reportedly seeking a ministry or cabinet rank berth for its founder, Jitan Ram Manjhi, who won the Lok Sabha elections from Bihar's Gaya. Pertinently, the BJP, which got the ball rolling, is keen to keep top cabinet berths with itself, where the outgoing government made major breakthroughs over the past decade. If reports are to be believed, the BJP does not want to part ways with some of the crucial ministries like Railways, Home, Finance, Defence, Law, Ministry of External Affairs and Information Technology. Meanwhile, a meeting of elected MPs of the NDA is due on 7th June, where the Bloc's alliance will put forward their demands.